Buff is a completely legitimate background app authorized by Overwolf. It tracks your performance on games like Valorant, Fortnite, and CS2, awarding you points that you can redeem for Steam keys, gaming gear, or gift cards. It is ban safe and entirely free to use. But how much can you actually make? In short, pocket change. Because it runs passively, the earning rate is incredibly slow. Expect to grind for months just to cash out a single $5 or $10 gift card. To make matters worse, the best rewards are frequently out of stock in their marketplace. And you'll have to tolerate desktop ads unless you pay for a premium subscription tier. So Buff is a decent zero risk tool to secure minor rewards for a hobby you are already doing anyway. Just completely skip the get rich hype. This is an extra pizza money, not a real income stream. So you're better off streaming your game than installing this app.